Hi, welcome again to 5 Minute Revit. Today, tips and tricks. It's about area plan, how to create an area plan, and what is the difference between the room area and the area plan. Let's see how it's work. I have in this view a room layout, a simple room layout, and when I click on the property of a room, I see that I can have an area in a room. But our tips for today is how to create uh, area plan. Like for example, now for a room, you can create a room in a floor plan, and you can create a room in multiple. Like for example, if I go in a plan view, I can create a room in floor plan and structural plan. But in our video today, we see how to create area plan. How to do that? We go to architecture in here, and in a room and area, I have here area and volume computation. If I click on that, I have this nice dialog box, and I have here a tab for computation. That's mean, for example, volume and computed at finished phase, the way that we want to calculate the area. And in here, that's for volume, sorry, and for a room area. And in here, I have the area scheme. If I can have a multiple area scheme. For example, by default, we have gross building and rentable area. And I can add one, for example, let's see my area, custom area, for example, area, or let's see a custom area. You can have whatever the name you want. It's based on your project requirement. And when I have that created already, I go in here in view, or there is another way. I can go to area and create area plan. But you see here, I have this button is gray out. It's because I am in a floor plan. And when we create the area plan, it will be available. Now I prefer to go to view and plan view. It's the same, and area plan. Then I choose which level I want to associate this area plan in floor 1, floor 2, let's see floor 3 and floor 4. Now Revit ask me automatically create area boundary lines associated with external wall and gross building area. I said no, because I want a custom. No, no. Now, if I go to the project browser, I have my area plans in here, and for floor 1, floor 2, etc. Now, if I go to, for example, a floor 1, I can start create my area boundaries. If I go in here, now I pick my line tool and I start to create the boundary. I do it randomly, but there is uh, some code for that. You can apply it if you want. Let's see, I want just this boundaries. Let's see, I can have, for example, then I go in here and I will finish just in here. You got the idea. Now, this is for floor 1, and if I click escape couple of times, I go to area in here, and now you see I can place a area tool, and I can tag it if I want. Now that's, and I can also add a color scheme. I go to annotate, fill color in here, and I choose the sorry, let's see, I will edit. Let's see why I don't see the area I created. I get back in here, area and volume, and Okay, you know why? Because I create a gross building. I forgot to create the area, custom area. How we do that? Let's see. I go back to view and I go to plan view area. And in here, you must specify which area you want, custom area. I didn't do it on purpose, but it's a good exercise. And now, now, and I will have my custom area in here. And if I go this time, let's see, I go to floor 3 and I go to architecture, area boundary. At this time, I just draw a randomly a score in here just to have something. Then click modify. Then I go to area in here, place my area, and I can place my tag also, sorry, tag it. And now I just add the color scheme in here, annotate, fill, and now I choose my custom. You have the custom area in here, and I can just change the color if I want, and I change the criteria if based on this color scheme based on area or area type. Let's see area type and give it this color. And now I have my area plan for all this zone. And you got the idea how to create an area plan. I hope this video helped you to understand the difference between a room and area, how we create an area plan. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks in 5-minute Revit.